Yeah, this custom Thunderbird here, it has Edsel taillights. I've never seen a Thunderbird with Edsel taillights. No. Yeah, they're right off of Ford Edsel. Never seen one of them. Then they got another one behind, not a, well, they got Ford behind. Huh? It's 52? I think that cone looks right. I think that's a 52, but I'm not sure. Could be custom. It just looks right. Oh. Somebody said something about the good, the bad, and the ugly, so I dug up, this is Big Audio Dynamite, Medicine Show, the first song. It's got, they sample the hell out of the movie. Yeah, hear pieces of the movie all through it, yeah. Well, toward the middle, from the middle on. But I had this on cassette and a Walkman type apparatus long into the 21st century, yeah. Yeah, I played this a lot. Yeah, this is Insanity Bohemian style. All right, let's go.